Greetings to everyone. I'm Dr. Anjum Qureshi, Assistant Professor at the Department of Electronics and Communication at Rajiv Gandhi College of Engineering, Research and Technology, Chandrapur. I'm an international trainer and a global speaker and an SDG enthusiast. I'm really thankful to the organizers of this conference for allowing me to present my views as a keynote speaker. Today, I will be sharing my views on the topic interactions between SDG 7 and 08 to attain sustainability. SDG 7 focuses on affordable and clean energy. It is essential for driving economic growth and productivity, and access to reliable and affordable energy fuels, industrial development, stimulates business activity, and it creates jobs. SDG 8 aims to promote full and productive employment and decent work for all. Achieving this requires a stable and growing economy, which is partially dependent on the availability and the cost of energy as outlined in SDG 7. Both these goals contribute to sustainable development by ensuring that economic growth is not detrimental to the environment or social well being. If we talk about the transition that needs to be done, yes, the transition from the fossil fuels to the renewable energy is very, very much essential. Now, if we see the renewable energy consumption, it will reduce the economic risk, it will reduce the financial risk, and it will help in the economic development. This is how SDG 7 and 08 can be interlinked. And the improved energy efficiency, it can be a change maker. Energy efficiency measures such as improved insulation or efficient appliances will reduce the strain on the grid and maximize energy for renewable sources. It will lower the energy bills, free up resources for both healthcare and education, thereby improving overall household quality of life. As energy efficient measures are adopted, energy gains can increase modern energy usage, reducing drudgery, saving time, and contributing to women empowerment. Small scale renewable energy products such as solar, mini grid, and solar home systems can provide electricity access affordably and quickly to remote communities. Renewable energy is also an excellent resiliency booster, providing energy independence from main grid breakdowns or fuel supply disruptions or price fluctuations caused by the disasters. Now, this is in short about a survey which has been done by Money Control and the Status Staff. It shows that the demand for the job roles in the renewable energy will grow. There will be the areas like environmental engineer, renewable engineer, solar engineer, energy analyst, project manager, policy analyst, consultant, research scientist. The jobs will grow in this area. At the same time, the research by Statista states that nearly 13.7 million people around the world will be working in the renewable energy sector in the coming years. So this is again a very great number that we have to look for. Now, the transition to clean energy will drive job growth. The production and installation of renewable energy technologies like solar panels, wind turbines, and electrical vehicle batteries will require a skilled force. So once these renewable energy technologies are installed, they will require workers to operate and maintain them, ensuring their efficient and reliable performance. The clean energy transition will also create jobs in related industries like green building, when energy efficient construction techniques and the materials are used. So research and development in the clean energy technologies will lead to new innovations, creating jobs in engineering, science, and related fields. The government policies and the regulations that promotes renewable energy production, adoption will also create jobs in areas like project management and advocacy and policy analysis. This is a graph which shows about the evolution of energy employment. As the way we power our lives changes, so will the jobs that are tied to the creation and distribution of that power. The International Energy Agency projects that the global energy force will transform by 2030, assuming the current policy scenario. It says that by 2030, there will be total job gains of 8.4 million in this category, whereas there may be job loss, which will be 2.7 million. the net gain in jobs by 2030 will be nearly triple to 17 million, with energy transition aligned with it achieving net zero by 2050. So, as a result of the clean energy transition, the global energy industry is poised to create millions of new jobs by 2030. And with the growth of this magnitude, yes, there will be many, many new jobs and it will contribute to the long term economic benefits. So, one of the significant benefits of renewable energy is its role in mitigating the climate change. This will safeguard industries like agriculture and infrastructure from climate related risks. The environmental benefits of renewable energy they extend far beyond reducing the greenhouse gas emissions. It will help to decrease air and water pollution, which in turn will improve public health. Respiratory illness will lower down, there will be lower healthcare costs, and in fact, it will benefit the society as a whole. Renewable energy will contribute to energy dependence by diversifying the energy mix and reducing reliance on the fossil fuels. The Renewable Energy Global Market Report says that the market size in USD in billions will keep on increasing from the year 2025 to 2029. It will increase at a compound annual growth rate of 9.8% from 1,194.93 billion dollars to $1,735.29 billion dollars in 2029, which is a remarkable increase. So we need to encourage interconnecting research to achieve success in both SDG 7 and SDG 8 and to interlink them. Research can focus on how renewable energy technologies and energy efficiency innovations can drive economic growth and create jobs. It will explore how energy efficiency measures can lead to job creations in areas like building and construction, installation, and energy management. It will investigate the economic and social impacts of transitioning away from fossil fuels on workers in the coal, oil, and gas industries. It will help in analyzing the role of government policies and investments in promoting renewable energy and energy efficiency. And of course, by using AI to optimize energy grids, predict energy demand, and improve the efficiency of renewable energy systems. So, this is how the interdisciplinary research in both these areas is going to benefit the researchers. So, there is a need to, in fact, to research more on this topic. So, coming to the conclusion, SDG 7 focuses on modern energy access and SDG 8 emphasis on sustainable economic growth are intertwined, and initiatives that address both goals can have a significant positive impact on development. In essence, by prioritizing affordable and clean energy access, countries can create more sustainable and inclusive economic environments, fostering decent work and sustainable economic growth while addressing climate change and environmental concerns. So, thank you very much for listening to me, for your patient listening, and for this opportunity again to share my views. Thank you, Vanano.